Hi guys, welcome back again. Okay, in the previous video, we were discussing regarding the creation of a curved canvas for our dashboard. Uh, okay, so in this video, let's just extend that with placing an image over that canvas. Okay, so if you haven't checked out that part 1 video, kindly first do check that out to have a continuation of the app. Okay, so this is the image I am gonna have in that dashboard. Okay, let's just get started with how we can insert that image over that curved area. So this is the part we just left out with in part 1, so let's just continue with that. Okay, we just had a column, so inside that let me give the padding. Let me have give edge inserts. I need only top with the value of 30 pixels, so I'm just leaving a gap of 30 pixels in the top. Okay, then after that the padding has a child which is a row as usual. Take the children widget. The first what I'm going to give you the cross axis alignment. So cross axis alignment, uh, is it, let me do it manually. Okay, cross axis overlay, we just need to give this before that children widget. Okay, cross axis alignment plan cross axis alignment dot start. Okay, then let me give the main axis alignment, which is the main axis alignment dot space between. So I'm going to have two fields, one is the text field and an icon. What you have seen in the previous part, the screenshot I have shown you, know. So we were having a dashboard text on the left and a menu icon on the right. So I just want to have equal spacing between those two widgets. So I'm just having the main axis alignment as space between, and I need to have that widget to start from the left side. So I just have the cross axis alignment on top, sorry, on the top. So I am giving it a start. Okay. Next, let us have the text widget. Let me give the dashboard, and as usual, you can have style, which is the text style. Okay. First, let me give the color. Okay, like colon colors dot, let me give white, so it would be easily distinguishable from that gradient color what we have used already. Okay, then let me give the font size as 20 and font weight as okay, font weight dot bold. Okay, now align it. All right, next let us give the icon. Okay, so icons dot, what icon we use menu. Okay, and let us give the color which is really needed to have good visualization. Okay, all right, so after that icon, let us have, where does this padding, this row end is here. Okay, so just have a flexible area within which we will be giving the image. that is we will be setting up that image. Okay, as usual, the flexible take the child, let us have align. So the alignment is more important as usual. First let me give the alignment colon alignment dot top left. Okay, later that that have a child which is the image. Okay, image colon asset image of set slash. All right, align it. So we have just created the text and icon with the image over that curved canvas. So thanks for watching. So guys, if you have any idea regarding how we can share this app in a better way, kindly let me know in the comment section below. So I will really consider that if it suits the requirements. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned to get the latest update regarding this app. So thanks, bye.